Dear friends, this is Sai Ram Real Estate Private Limited, a company which has begun a new era in the field of real estate. Friends, you will be surprised to know that this is the only company in the world to do entire construction work in presence of customers, engineers and technical persons, and to provide facility of live video of entire construction work all over the world. Friends, Sai Ram Real Estate Private Limited means 100% honesty, 100% transparency, 100% legality, 100% world-class amenities and 100% extraordinary facility, and above all 100% customer satisfaction. Friends, as there are 7 wonders in the world, similarly there are 7 wonders of Sai Ram Real Estate Private Limited, and they are: first, world-class construction materials. We use iron rod from Tata Tiscon. In flooring, we use Kajaria and Samani. In electricals, we use a product by Havells only. In cement, we use only Ultratech and Lafarge, product of international standards. And we maintain garter mixture ratio 3:2:1, the international standard ratio of construction work. Second wonders of our company is that we provide facility of live video of the construction work all over the world. No matter whether you reside in America, Canada, Australia, you may sit with your engineers or technical persons at your system and may watch our construction work live, and to ensure yourself and let them ensure other persons about the construction quality of construction work of our company. Friends, our third wonder is that we provide facility of the construction work in presence of your engineers and technical persons. This is the only company in the world to provide such unique facilities. Our fourth wonder is high-tech security. We provide sensor gate, 2 armed guard at the main gate, dog squad for 24-hour patrolling, CCTV cameras at every nook and corners of the apartment. And we also provide a unique facility in your flat, and that is automatic fire alarm system. Whenever misfortune happens, your gas leaks, it may catch some fire, this system will automatically activate it, and it is connected directly with our control room, so that officers of our control room may tender their supports to you. Friends, our fifth wonder is we provide a control room. Nowadays we all know that we live a fast life. We have no time, and for this a unique facility our company is going to provide to each and every apartment, and that is a branch of control room. If you have to refill your gas cylinder, you have to bring fruits, vegetables, you have to deposit your electric bill, etc. Don't worry, just make a call to our control room, and the officers of our control room will be present before you within 5 minutes at your beck and call, and they will provide whatever the service you required. And for this, to a great surprise, company takes no charges. Friends, our sixth wonder is we provide a guest room. Sometimes it so happens that some person comes to you, you provide dinner to him at night, but we are sometimes not able to allow them to take rest in our flats. And for this, we have provided this facility. You are not to worry about this. Your guest will reside at night in the guest room, well furnished with all facility and attended by an attendant. Our seventh wonder is we provide one another unique facility, and that is departmental store, so that in emergency, whatever the article you require, you are just to make a call to our control room, and the officers of our control room will be present with you, before you, with the whatever materials you have asked for. These are the 7 wonders of our Sai Ram Real Estate Private Limited. And friends, with full sincerity, I claim that there is no other company in the world to provide such facilities to its customers. In addition to all these facilities, there are other amenities and facilities. They are, we provide purified waters, hot and cold waters to each and every taps and basins, temples, fountains, swimming pools, indoor games facility, community hall, and the entire apartment will be fitted with Wi-Fi facility. These are the some facilities I counted here, and I hope all of you must realize the fact that this is the only company in the world to provide such facilities to its customer. That's all. Thank you very much.